Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a safe area in Flutter Android. Safe area is basically a padding widget, which adds any necessary padding to your app, based on the device it is running on. If your app's widgets are overlaying any of the system's features like notches, status bar, camera holes, or any other such features, then safe area would add padding around the app, as required. If we run the app without a safe area widget, we can see that the app has crossed the boundaries of the device and has penetrated to and behind the notch area of the status bar of the phone. You can see the blue color above and behind the app bar, which is actually the notch area on the Android device. Let's apply the safe area widget in an app and see the difference. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a safe area widget. We include the screen's left, right, top, and bottom sides in the safe area, so that the app UI does not overflow from any side of the screen. Inside the safe area widget, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a text widget, with some text. Let's run the app. As you can see, now our app does not cross its boundaries and does not penetrate into the notch area of the status bar of the device. You can see that the status bar area is not colored anymore, unlike previously when we had not implemented the safe area in our app. So now our toolbar, our notification, etc. is safe from the notch. And our list views are safe from the curved boundaries of the Android device. So that's it. That's how you can create a safe area in Flutter Android. Thank you.